Guys, this is JohwaTech Electrical Contractors Limited YouTube channel, and this is where learn through practicals. Today is the fourth day of this installation of these KPLC meters, and I'm intending to wind up what I was supposed to do within that period of time today. And yeah, uh, yesterday I did a live lemon. However, I had some few things that I had not done. Today I was able to do them, especially running this arc cable. This is the PME where our alba is. Also, I have managed to wire both the MCCB and the utility cutouts, and that's what I'm currently working on. And yeah, I would like to show you what exactly I'm doing as I wind up what I was supposed to do today. Zoom. So right now I'm wearing my MCB double pose with their respective faces. As you can see, I have already managed to, or I have terminated the red phase already. What I want to do right now is to wire the next phase. So here we have this is where the KPLC drop the power. Once you make the application of a new connection on additional road, so they come and drop the power here. This is the KPLC service cable. Then they provide you with 3 cutouts. One is twin, the rest are single. Twins cutout is supposed to have neutral and the red phase. Never ever change the face and put blue or yellow where the black is. So the twin cutout always have the red face and the neutral, and then we have the PAB here. This is the earth from the national grid, and this is where your others are supposed to come. Like mine is coming from here, going all the way where my earth bar is. So these fuses, they are rated 80 amperes. You can earn the amperage, or you can change the phase depending on the road you're going to have. But for my case, because this is an apartment, I'm intending to maintain I'm intending to maintain the fuses which comes with the cutout. And as you can see, this is a KPLC. This is a property of KPLC, and this is a fuse holder. So I'm not intending to change the fuse switches inside here. And by the way, the fuse switches inside here is a cartridge fuse. And because I would like to protect my meter box, I decided to use an MCCB. This is an MCCB whereby my MCCB is 250 amperes, and this one helps you on in case there is a short circuit from the national grid. This MCCB will be able to trip the power inside the meter box. I mean, the whole meter box will be disconnected. That means you'll not have to experience burning out or maybe fire or something like that out of the short circuits coming from the national that is the national grid. I'd select use neutral, and on the side of the load, I'm also going to have three phases and the neutral. And as you can see, I'm going to have three rows here of the meters. This is the first low, the second low, and also going to have the third low. The first low, I'm taking to the first I have supplied it with a red face. Then the second low, I'm going to supply it with yellow face. And then the last low, I will supply it with blue face. Just to make you understand, there is something called road all distributing the faces evenly. Like for me, for my case, I'm going to have more than 40 meters, but the first low will be having 16 meters, the second low 16, and then also the third low is going to have 16 meters. So I would like to distribute the faces in that manner. Every low will have its own face. I can comfortably say even the load is distributed evenly amongst all it is distributed evenly to my all to the faces, that is red, yellow, and blue. So if you have like 30 meters and you have a three face, the best thing you can do by distributing the road evenly is whereby you're supposed to divide those 30 meters by 3, and then every 10 meter row will have a face, and so on and so on. So today I have managed to wire my MCCB with this 25 square meter cable. If you look at this cable and this one, these are the same size, right? This is 25, and and this is 10 square millimeter. This is the cable that I'm supplying the MCB double poles with, and I feel I'm okay. Also, from the double pole MCB double pole to the meter, through the energy meter, I'm supplying that meter with a 10 square millimeter cable. So in this case, I will not have a problem of maybe burning out of the cable because of incorrect sizing of the cables, whereby instead of using 10 millimeter, if you look the size of the cable that I have used to loop my MCB double poles, also is 10 square millimeter cable. So that means I will not have I'll experience a situation whereby my cables are overheating because 10.0 cable and then 10.0 cable supplying the meter, and then the road or the house will be supplied with the same size of the cable or 6.0 square millimeter cable, and that means my meter, my board will be professionally wired. So for the remaining job is just to distribute my second low or to supply my second low with a face, which is yellow face. I have the cable here, and then that will be blue. That will be a standby cable. I'm not going to use it right now, but later. And I'll be done with that. So if you are there and you'd like to make an application from KPLC, feel free to contact us. We do apply meters on behalf of our clients. We apply new connections, and we also do additional road there. So feel free to contact us at our number or through our numbers, the 754 879 439, and we will assist you. We also install meters. As you can see, the meter box, it is neatly organized, and I tell you, by the time I'll be saying that I'm done with this meter box, it will be looking spectacular, because I have to make sure all the cables are arranged properly, just like the way I have organized the meters. Even the cables, which are the road cables, I'll make sure that I have arranged them properly to make this meter box look neat and clean. Okay, so that's all for our today's live recording. Until maybe tomorrow, if you will be doing a video, but it will be a different video, not for this specific meter box, because by the end of today, I'll be through with what I was supposed to do or what I intended to do with this meter box within that timeline. I started this job on Monday. Today is the 4th day, and yeah, I'm happy. I've been alone. I can't say that I had someone who was assisting me to do this. I prefer doing it myself because I believe if you want something to be done the way you love it, the way you like it, do it yourself. That's why I choose to do this myself. So it tells to us we cannot, if you have meters, if you have a private meters and you don't have someone who can help you or who can give you the service to terminate them or to install them, contact us. We are going to assist you on that. And just to show you what I mean, is that this is the MCCB. This is these trees are the utility cutouts. This is the lead face, this is yellow, and this is blue, right? Lead face or the twin cutout always have a red face and the neutral. And never ever swap the faces and think that you can put yellow or blue where the red face is. The cutout for, I mean the twin cutout must be having the red face, the neutral, and the E&E on the other side. So if you look my meter box, I have wired it like this. This is my R bar and the neutral bar. They share the same bar. So I have carried my PMA arc all the way from the cutout, from the twin cutout, up to where my arc bar is. This is where my arc bar is, and you can imagine after putting all the cables for this apartment, which is going to be a 10-story building, all the earth will be terminated where my earth bar is. So the current, all the power flows, like I have explained, the flows from where these cutouts, all the utility cutouts are. From here, it goes to MCCB. Then from MCCB, it goes to my MCB double post. Then from MCB double post to where all my MCB double posts are supplying the energy meters with the power, and then from there I'm going to have the road cable which will be coming from the meter towards the designated or towards inside consumers of every unit, right? So I think that's all for today's video. If there is something maybe you might have forgotten, I will elaborate in the future, or maybe when I'll be doing the next video regarding these meter boxes. Yeah. What I would like to add is that as an electrician, it is good to choose the best meter box for your customer. If you have been given the privilege to design the meter, design a good meter. And something that I don't like seeing from electrician is whereby an electrician decides to use a meter box which instead of having these metallic these metallic service where you're going to mount your meters, they use the MDF, others use plywood, pre-press, hardwoods and all those such. If you are using a marine board, all MDF or any other board, 6 plies, whatever, make sure that you have reinforced your meter box with something called uh, rain sheet inside to make at least to make the meter box look neat, and also it's going to be easy to add the entire meter box. Like now, in this case, I don't have a problem of adding my meter box because the meter box is entirely metallic. So putting it or adding it is very easy. Like you can see, I add bar is there. That means my meter box is already armed. In case of short circuit, like there is a short that happened here. If you can see here, there was some sparks coming from here. Definitely, if it is coming from an MCB, the circuit breaker, double pole, it will definitely trip, and that protects your board from, fire or something like that. So kindly, electricians, make sure that you always use the correct material on where you are mounting your double poles and meters. All right. Another thing, I don't like coiling of cables. If you look my meter box, cables are running from where the cutout is towards where the MCCB is without coiling them. Only we only have few turns. So I think that's all. Allow me to end the video there. Until our next video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please hit that subscription button.